the one right here. Brand new. Kuma Hakai. Brand new. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Holy cow, it's been... Hold on, guys, hold on. I gotta stand behind the car. It's kind of windy, actually. Guys, it's been a while since I've been here. I want to say since 2019. Yeah, so it's been like 4 years, almost 4 years. And the only time I really do come here is out around this time, which is January, February, where I fish this lake that does not freeze, right? It doesn't freeze. It's warm water discharge. We are going to be taking a bike. So you guys saw me pull back here. We're going to be taking a bike to a hidden swamp area that is a really far walk. This time, I'm a lot smarter, and I brought the bike, and hopefully we can catch some fish today. So with that being said, let's rig up, take some stuff up, and let's go. Alright, so I don't want to put on too much stuff because it is supposed to be warmer today. Like I said, it's 40 degrees right now, so we gotta, you know, smart here and not overheat ourselves, because what happens is when you start sweating too much, that's not good. Then you get cold. This thing's really hard to get off. Okay, there we go, and the bike is off. We did pump the tires, so it should be good. Alright, so geez, gosh, it's crazy, slippery as heck. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the stuff on my backpack and then ride there and see you guys on GoPro, because it's gonna be a ride. So stay tuned. Oh, it's so slushy. Doesn't sound too good, but it's okay. It is what it is now. It's so slippery. Jeez. Oh shit. Fuck, it's slippery as hell. Alright, I'm walking it because it's hot. It's real hot. And the ground is really soft from all the rain and the warm weather. So it's actually harder to bike in this like slushy stuff. Oh, super dirty. Oh, it's a lot of bait fish. Bluegills. Oh, dude, I had a fish on. What the heck? Oh. Dude, I shut off my GoPro and I had a fish on. Wow. I think I hooked him, so hold on. I had a fish on, guys. Got him. It's a bass, first bass. Dude, let's go. Yeah. Don't that feel good? On my new crawl too. Haha. First bass of the season. Oh, yes. Mission is accomplished, guys. I literally came here just for this. On that crawl, baby. Yes. Missed him the first time. Threw it back in there and got it. Catch and release. Fatty too. Yo. Alright. Let's go try over here. Nothing over here then. We're gonna start pan fishing. Nothing. Alright. Yep, it sure is a lot warmer. I don't think we have a long ice season anytime soon. This might be it, guys. Oh yeah. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. There we go. Probably wax these too, but you can never go wrong with Gopro. Oh, boy, I got hit. Oh, dude, I actually got hit. No way. No. Right in the middle, right here. Oh, it's so windy. I'm sorry, guys. Audio is gonna be terrible. I got him. I actually got him. Yes. Dude, we do have bluegills. Wow. Nice. We won't be bored after all, guys. Look how purple it is. Sweet. Got him. Oh, this is a fighter. Jeez. They're not big, but they're stocky. There we go. Look how purple that is. Okay, okay, I can live with this. I can live with this, guys. This is fun. Oh my god, right there. Oh, jeez. Bro, I was still fixing my reel. That's fun. Yeah, I think the thing that were pecking it were bluegills. Man, they're all the same size, but still. Got no complaints, man. Oh, dude. They're so crazy. Man. Dude, they got freaking bit. There's things chasing them in there. Look at this. Scars everywhere. I'll be honest with y'all. Don't eat fish out here, man. It's disgusting, dude. There we go. Man, that's cool. Why do they fight so freaking hard? Oh, nice. What is this? Oh, it's a largemouth. Hey. Yeah, he got bit too. Got a scar on him. Wow. Okay, let's move. Let's go find like a tuck-in area or something, like a tree. I don't break them. I just want to step down on them so I can fish. There we go. And we're blocked from the wind. Nice. Maybe I spooked them from coming over here, you know. Let's try it out. You never know. There we go. Oh, it's a pumpkin seed. Oh my gosh, look at the color. Look at the color. That's cool. That's really cool. The color looks amazing. Instantly. Oh, there's a bunch of pumpkin seed over here. They look like ocean fish. There we go. That's a better fish. Oh my gosh, it's pulling really hard. Jeez. Look how purple it is. Whoa. That is really cool. Nice back. Oh, jeez. Okay, alright. Jeez. Dude, look how hard they fight, bro. Oh my goodness. They don't fight like the average fish. It's so weird. It's another purple fish. Wow. I'm causing way too much traffic here. The bluegills are like slowing down. You can tell. There we go. That's a better fish. No, it's just a fighter. Yep, it's a fighter. I mean, it's better, that's for sure. Wow. I just love how purple they are. Oh, that's so cool. Take a picture of this. My goodness. They run so hard. Wow. Look at this pumpkin seed. There's a fish going ham over there. Whew, at least the wind stopped a little bit, my goodness. Oh, it's a nice fish. What is that? It's a bass. Yeah. That was cool. We're just appreciating that the wind stopped a little bit and got a bass. See ya. Like you catch a few fish and then they spook off and then they come back. It's so weird. But that's a good thing. It means they're like moving around, you know. Changing places. Oh, it went down fast. Don't know what that was. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That's a runner right there. It's a runner. It's not a big one, but they do fight out here. Jeez. Oh, okay, okay. Hit it on the run. Oh, dude, that's a nice one. Yeah, stocky fish. Wow, look at that thing. No way. Now that's a cool looking bluegill right there. They're getting bigger. Beautiful fish. Going back. There we go. Oh my gosh. It's another nice one. Oh, bro, they're getting better. Wow, stocky. Stocky and beautiful. She thick. There we go. Sent them out of the water. Dude, no, stay out of there. Oh, it's a nice one. Jeez. Oh, look at you. You're a stocky guy. Nice. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, jeez. It's a nice one. No, stay out of there. Oh, no, it popped off. Bro, that was a nice one. Ah. Of course I lose the nice one, right? He's so smart. He took me to the freaking snake. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pack up and then see you guys back at the car or during the bike ride because got a long way back. Dang it guys, I forgot to check the mic and I think it was recording on stereo, so that means only one side of the audio is gonna work. But right now I think I got it figured out. That was a freaking mission and it was fun. Like I miss doing that stuff, you know. I miss just going on foot and just looking for spots to catch fish. Again, I haven't been back here since 2019, I believe, and it's still the same. Tons of panfish, largemouth here and there. You gotta take the sacrifice and walk over there. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know where. I don't know if we're ice fishing, but we're gonna figure something out, so stay tuned.